just like that, it's a new day.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
So we're back at it. It's been like a day or two since then, since I came back here. I was in the garage. Now we're gonna move the engine over there on that side. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit and then just start tearing stuff off this engine, man. Yes, sir. So, alright, we're gonna start taking stuff off of this engine. We're gonna start taking stuff off of this engine. Hey, you notice this too? Yes, sir. Okay, it's probably like not the best, but whatever. See it yet, but I almost threw up an orange. That was terrible. Let's do it. Chat, can he push the engine without dropping it?
Bruh.
Find out. Bro, I need like a pole or something so I can. Hold on. Let me lock it in real quick. Checking out big ass brain. Gotta grab this right here. Damn, G. That's crazy, so. Nah, but don't even worry about it. Don't even fret. Don't even frettington. There we go. Don't scratch the car. Oh my god! I almost just tweaked. Oh hell no. Dog. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta stop doing that. That's so sketch, bro. It's cause like I put it on pretty stupid, but it works. It's leaning too much to one side, so whenever you pull it in that direction, it wants to go that way. But I mean, hey man, for now, yeah, that's hella dangerous. Whatever, bro. I'm not gonna be yanking on this engine like crazy. Yeah, no, I just want the engine like over here where all the tools are, so I can easily just boom, 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 take everything off, and I have a container right here inside the car. I can put all the engine components in here. So what we need to do is get it to just a straight long block, nothing but this part and like the bottom of the oil pan, and like that's literally it. So I need everything off. And then for those, because like I'm learning this as I go as well, right? I'm not like, dude, this is the first time I've ever pulled out an engine. This is the first time. We're learning as we go. Yeah, for those who are interested in like building 2Js or even 1Js because they're similar, at least you can watch this and get entertained and have a reference point of what that all looks like. So let's start tearing into it. Uno a uno.
103L. Yeah, they got him a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s and a light one here, light brown here. We got him on deck. Looks like.
do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine. Just something to do. Thought I never knew. No sense.
All right, we're getting to the finish line of tearing apart this engine. All that's left is to do is take off the engine mounts, all of these components right here in the front. Pretty much mostly everything is off. From there, I just have to take off little things, little bolts here and there. So I was talking to Zeno and he was explaining to me like what I should leave on and what I don't have to take off. What he was saying is when you're actually taking this apart, the only thing that needs to stay on here is this part right here. All of these other pulley assemblies can come off, the alternator, the AC compressor, the power steering shit. But he said not to disconnect this, and if I do, to put it back immediately because it'll mess up the timing of the engine. Yeah, it's a lot more easier to deal with this engine now that it's like, you know, just completely out of the car. What I'm gonna do is take off all this stuff and I can start cleaning it because like this thing is pretty cooked, my G. So yeah, let's keep continuing with it. Let's keep going. Mira, pero vamos a continuar el motor, cabrón.
Self-defense, no surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even do you even leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. Do you even do you even I get lost when I look in.
Damn, G. Cake. Absolutely caked. Even the block. Yum. This thing must have been leaking oil since like 2003, bro. Damn, G. It's actually insane. Yeah, we love to see that. Yeah, we love that. That good insulation. You can't even see the bolt, bro. This is a bolt right here. That's so crazy. That's a nut, imagine. Well, we're at the end of the night. I actually got a lot of work done on this thing. I was working on this engine pretty much the entire day. Yeah, we got super far, man. Like the engine was basically complete when I started. Everything was on here. We're pretty much at the long block. I need to take off the water pump assembly, the crank, take up the cover, the ignition coils, and a bunch of other little things. From there, we can degrease it. This thing is absolutely caked in grease, like absolutely insulated in grease, man. It's terrible. Low key, now that I'm looking at the inside of the block, this thing has been used and abused, bro. Yeah. Damn, G, they're just straight up caked up oil in there. That is not a good sign. Oh my god, bro. This thing is actually even the inside of the engine is just insulated with like just I forgot what like the word was, like carbon or whatever, like the buildup. Sheesh, this thing is pretty cooked. If you want to see more, of me working on this engine. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.
In your eyes.